Okay, next we're going to start on the main platform. So we'll go ahead and hit Part, 2D Sketch, and XY Plane. The easiest way to make this platform is to choose your rectangle tool and go ahead and make your square within your screen. Next, you need to give dimensions. Dimensions of this platform are 72 inches at the top, 72 inches at the sides. That platform is 6 feet by 6 feet in feet. We're going to finish that sketch, and then we're going to extrude this platform 3 inches the same way that you did your climbing wall. The next thing we need to do with your main platform is put holes in each corner. So we have to get back to 2D Sketch, click the front, and just like your climbing wall, you need to place some points in the corner. So I do a point here, 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 and here. That's going to allow me to have 4 holes in the corner to place poles. But if you look at your blueprints, there's a specific way that we have to have the holes placed. They have to be 4 inches from the side and 4 inches from the top. So you can hit your word dimension. You can click the side of the board, click the point, click your number, and make that 4. Do the same thing to the top. Top, point, and then make that number 4. You're going to do that with every point around the platform. So 4 inches from the side and 4 inches from the top. Every once in a while it has a little glitch, so you just have to restart it over. When it does that, just hit OK. Click the side. Make sure you get right on that dot. If you're missing the dot, it doesn't dimension it right. So make sure you click on that dot and make it 4 inches. Almost done here. Just making sure we get the points exactly 4 inches in from each side. Once you have your points placed 4 inches from the sides and tops, you can finish your sketch. And just like your climbing wall, you're going to hit hole. In this case, though, we want the holes to go the whole way through, and the diameter has to be 4 inches. So you can hit through all, hit OK. You can file, save as, main platform. And again, I have this saved, so I'll just type it out. But you must save as main platform.